Tired of manual commissions? Drowning in spreadsheets? We've all been there. It's a never-ending cycle of errors, long hours, and frustration. But what if there was a better way? What if you could spend less time on tedious calculations and more time on strategic growth? The problem with traditional commission management. Host, for years, finance teams have been the unsung heroes of sales commissions. They build complex models in Excel, chasing down sales reps, and manually entering data. It's a time-consuming process that's prone to human error, leading to missed payouts and disgruntled employees. This isn't just an inefficiency, it's a roadblock to your company's growth. This is where Spiff comes in. We're not just another software. We're a strategic partner for finance teams. Spiff automates the entire commission process, from data integration to final payout. Our platform is built on a simple yet powerful idea: give finance teams the tools they need to be more efficient and impactful. So, what's our core value? It's all about strategic impact. Spiff frees up your finance team from the mundane. Instead of spending days reconciling data, they can focus on what really matters: analyzing sales performance, forecasting future revenue, and aligning commission plans with business goals. With Spiff, finance teams become a strategic asset, driving better decision-making and contributing directly to the bottom line. Our platform provides real-time visibility and a single source of truth, eliminating disputes and building trust across the organization. Imagine a world where your finance team is no longer a bottleneck but a catalyst for growth. Spiff gives you that world. We empower you to create a transparent, accurate, and scalable commission process. You get happier sales reps, a more efficient finance team, and a business that's ready to grow. Spiff, the future of commission management is here.